Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Steve Cross, Mechanical and Technical Engineer, and I'm here with Daniela Grigova, our Sales Engineer. Today I'm going to be asking some questions on converting hydraulic actuators to electrical actuators. So why should I switch from hydraulic actuators to electric actuators?
Electric actuators offer several advantages, including high efficiencies from 75% to 80% compared to 40% to 55% for hydraulics, lower maintenance requirements, reduced energy costs, and enhanced precision. They also eliminate messy leaks, reduce environmental hazards, and provide real-time monitoring for smarter operations.
Okay, so can electric actuators match the performance of hydraulic systems?
Yes, electric actuators provide comparable bore sizes from 25 to 127 millimeters and forces up to 220 kilonewtons, delivering exceptional performance while reducing the total cost of ownership.
And are electric actuators suitable for all industrial applications?
Electric actuators are ideal for many applications, including factory automation, material handling, and specialized machinery. However, it's essential to consider factors like force requirements, operating environment, and duty cycles when making the switch.
And what are the maintenance benefits of electric actuators?
Unlike hydraulic systems, electric actuators don't rely on seals, fluids, or pumps, significantly reducing maintenance needs. There are no leaks to clean, no seals to replace, and minimal wear over time, which lowers cost and improves reliability.
So how do electric actuators improve energy efficiency?
Electric actuators convert energy into motion more efficiently, achieving 75% to 80% efficiency compared to the 40% to 55% typical of hydraulic systems. This reduces energy consumption and operating costs.
Do electric actuators provide better control?
Absolutely. Electric actuators, especially those with servo systems, offer precise control by providing real-time data on position, velocity, and force. This data improves process reliability and enables smarter decision-making.
What about the environmental impact?
Electric actuators eliminate the use of hydraulic fluids, reducing the risk of leaks and contamination. They are a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable choice for modern applications.
Okay, so how do I size an electric actuator for my application?
You can use tools like Tolematics online sizing software or hydraulic cylinder replacement worksheets. Key metrics include pressure, speed, stroke, and duty cycle. Or if you prefer, you can directly contact us with your requirements and we can do the sizing for you.
What are the installation considerations for electric actuators?
When designing and installing electric actuators, consider the operating environment like temperature, contaminants, and duty cycles. Proper planning ensures optimal performance and longevity.
And is the switch to electric actuators worth it financially?
Yes, switching to electric actuators lowers the total cost of ownership through reduced maintenance, lower energy costs, and improved efficiency. These are savings that add up, making the transition a cost-effective choice for most industries.
Well, thank you, Daniela, for that overview. If you're interested in learning more about this product, please contact us using the information on the screen or in the description.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos.